So now let's see how we can work around with the lens flare effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and work around with the lens flare effect, first of all, I'm going to go around and import out an image. So I'm just going to go around over here and let's say, for example, bring in a particular picture right here that I want to apply the lens flare effect to. Then once I do that, I'm going to go around onto the effects menu. Then I'm going to go ahead over here onto camera, and here you can see that lens flare is an option. Once I go ahead and add it in, you can see that a lens flare has been added around over here in the edge. So what you can do is you can go ahead and see that there are different properties for the lens flare. For example, I can go ahead right here and select the center point for the lens flare, and I can keep it wherever I want. I can change around the aspect ratio of the lens flare, as you can see, and you can see that it changes out accordingly right here. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and change it out into rays right here, just like this, and change around the count right here, change around the brightness, as you can see right here, and change around the rotation, as you can see, and the level of streak right here, just like this as well. You can also go ahead and change around the sharpness, as you can see right here as well. And you can also go ahead and change around the color of the lens flare, as you can see, just like this as well. So once you go ahead, you can change around the noise right here, the just like this. You can just change around the count, and you can see the noise right here changing around as well. So you can see that this is very customizable right here, just like this. You can also choose from different presets that are available right here. Like for example, you can go for this preset, or yellow sun rays right here, just like this, or overexposed left right here. You can go for tails only, as you can see right here as well, or star warp, as you can see right here, and so forth, and change around the properties according to how you want right here, just like this, and change around the color as you want, just like this as well. And that is how you can work around with the lens flare effect and apply it to the images that you have inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.